too far.
Don't be scared. Where am I going?
Take it slow.
I know, so where am I going?
Down the driveway. Go over now a little. Not that far, not that far. Okay, take your break. Come over this way just a tad. Follow those tracks slowly. Now this is a tricky thing. So what I'm going to do, don't hit your brake too much. Hit your brake, hit your brake, hit your brake. Slowly. Atta girl, slow. Until you get all straight. Alright, now hit your gas. Hold on. Go ahead, keep going. Go ahead. Now go. Don't go in the grass too much. Take this part slow. Take this really easy because it jerks you around so much.
Yeah, so I gotta turn, make up the road.
Yep. Watch these trees. Don't get too close to them. Go that way. Quick. Good girl! Woo! Go that way. Now you go a little faster for a second. Is it not going nowhere?
Now there you go. You are safe with me, Mama. I will definitely not put you in harm's
Be
way.
careful of this little post. Tree.
Oh, sorry.
You're okay.
Up the driveway again?
Well, we're going to park it and see if this helps it at all. We're sitting for a few minutes. Okay, hit your brake. Brake, 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 brake. Good job.
And I gotta pull in again.
Just a tad. To your left, to your left, to your left. Stop. Stop. Brake. Good
I'm
job.
sorry that jerk.
Now
Sorry.
just shut it down.
Is this?
To the left. Right. Yeah, left. Good job.
That was
Uncle
fun.
Fred's going to be so proud of
I wanna
you.
do that again.
You want to say anything to him?
I did it! Yay! Mom, I want to do that again.